Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 2 ABC from exercise 4.4 chapter 4 simple equation. We have to solve the sum of A, B and C. Question number A. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So if you take the variable for the lowest marks and if you make it 2 times the lowest marks, twice means 2 times the lowest marks plus 7, then you will get the highest marks. Do you remember you have done the same sum in exercise 4.1 also? But there you have to make the equation only, here you have to solve also. Now let the solution of this sum, let the lowest marks, we have to take the variable for the lowest marks. Let the lowest marks be, say, or any variable you can take, say x. Let the lowest mark be x, marks be x. Therefore 2 times the lowest marks, that is twice the lowest marks plus 7 is equal to the highest marks. Therefore the equation is 2x plus 7 is equal to highest score is given 87 is equal to 87. Now you have to find the value of this variable, and you know that you have to use this sum to separate the variable. Use transposing method. So 2x is equal to 87 minus plus 7 will go in the right side and it will become minus 7. Now 2x is equal to 80 minus 7, so 2x is equal to 80. Therefore x is equal to 80 by 2 equal to 40. So the lowest marks, therefore the value you can get for the x, it is 40. Therefore the lowest marks of the class is 40. Okay. Now come to the next question, question number B. In question number B, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? You have to find the measurement of the base angles of the triangle where the vertex angle is given 40 degree, and you know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle 180 degree. You have to use this concept also. And as you don't know the base angles, so you can take the variable for these angles, and these two angles are same measurement, so you can take variable for here, say it is B, this is also B degree, as it is the measurement of angle. So the solution of this sum, let the base angles be B degree each, as they are equal, so both are same and B degree each. Therefore as we know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we will use this concept here. Therefore, the equation is B degree, both the base angles B degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this is the equation, and you have to solve this equation to find the value of B. One B and another B. So it is 2B degree, same value. So 2B degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2B equal to 180 degree. This 40 degree was plus here, so here it will be minus 40 degree. 2B is equal to 140 degree. Therefore, B is equal to 140 by 2, that is 70 degree. Therefore, B is equal to 70 degree. Each measurement of each angle will be 70 degree. Therefore, what are the angles, base angles of the triangle? Therefore, base angles of the triangles, base angles of the triangle is 70 degree each. Understood? Okay. Next sum. Question number C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. Double century, century means 100, double century means 200. Too short, that means 200 minus 2. How many runs did each one score? Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So, students, if I take the variable for Rahul's run, then it will be 2 times for Sachin's run. Say I am taking the runs for Rahul scored. The variable I am taking for Rahul is x. Then Sachin's score will be 2x. Understood? Now, let Rahul score x runs. Therefore, Sachin scored 2x, 2 times, twice as many as Rahul scored. So 2x runs. Together their runs, according to the equation, according to the question, the equation is, according to the question, the equation is, this is according to the question in short form. The equation is together their runs, Rahul's run plus Sachin's run equal to 200 minus 2, 2 short, that means 200 minus 2. So x plus 2x is equal to 200 minus 2. Now x plus 2x, both are same variables, so you can add them. 1x plus 2x, 3x is equal to 198. If you subtract 2 from 200, you will get 198. Now to find the value of x, the variable you need to separate, and 3 will be divided here. 198 divided by 3. The result is 3 6 18 and 3 6 18. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 66, and x we have taken for Rahul's run. Therefore, we have to find how many runs did each one score. Therefore, Rahul scored 66 runs and Sachin scored So Rahul scored 66 runs and Sachin scored twice of Rahul's runs, so into 2, because it was 2x, so 2 into 66 runs, that is 132 runs. This is the answer, because you have to find the runs of how many runs did each one score. Their runs are given here. I hope these are easy for you, but students, you need to practice it. Thank you, students.